Assalamu alaikum, dear students and friends. Today we will cover the third lecture on English grammar. This is a third lesson in the series of English lectures. दोस्तों, आज हम अंग्रेजी ग्रामर का तीसरा लेसन कवर करेंगे. And today we will learn about what is a sentence and what are the types and kinds of sentences. In simple words, we will learn sentence and its kinds. We will learn the definition of sentence and we will learn how many types or kinds of sentence are there in English grammar. आज इस लेसन में हम जुमले या फिक्रे की बुनियादी तारीफ और जुमले की मुख्तलिफ अक़साम के बारे में पढ़ेंगे. What is a sentence? A group of words which makes a complete sentence is called a sentence. A group of words which makes a complete sentence is called a sentence. किसी भी अल्फाज का मजमुआ जो एक मुकम्मल मानी बनाए या एक मुकम्मल मकसद को बयान करे उसको सेंटेंस या जुमला कहते हैं. What is the example of a sentence? Let's consult an example of sentence. He lives in Karachi. He lives in Karachi. This is a example of simple sentence. Dear students, what are the types of sentences? There are four kinds of sentences, namely assertive or declarative sentence, interrogative sentence, imperative sentence, and exclamatory sentence. Now we will learn one by one. Number first, the assertive or declarative sentence. A sentence that makes statements or assertions is called declarative or assertive sentence. A sentence that makes statements, declarations, or assertion is called declarative or assertive sentence. For example, he lives in London. This is a simple sentence. He lives in London. An example of assertive or declarative sentence. Number second, interrogative sentence. Interrogative sentence. A sentence that asks questions is called interrogative sentence. These sentences ends with question marks. Example of interrogative sentence is
Where does he live? Where does he live?
Number third, imperative sentence. Imperative sentence. A sentence that expresses a command or request is called imperative sentence. A sentence that expresses a command or request is called imperative sentence. Example of imperative sentences is number one, please pray for us. Please pray for us. Number two example is bring me a glass of water. Bring me a glass of water. Exclamatory sentence. Number four and the last kind of sentence is exclamatory sentence. What is exclamatory sentence? A sentence that expresses strong feeling or emotion is called exclamatory sentences. A sentence that expresses strong feeling or emotion is called exclamatory sentence. Example of exclamatory sentences is number one, God, I am in London. God, I am in London. The God here represents exclamation in the sentence. Number second example is congratulations, you have a baby girl. Congratulations, you have a baby girl. Here, congratulations expresses the emotions and feelings in this sentence. Dear students, this was all about sentences and types of sentences. I hope you have learned something from this video. Please come back. We have a lot of learning content for you in this channel. Please subscribe to this channel and visit our playlists too. We have a lot of educational videos that can help you build your knowledge and information according to the YouTube policies. Please subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon that you will notify for the new videos. Thank you so much for your time. Allah Hafiz.